Hello Wake Up Buddies! One of the best ways for beginners to start their fitness journey and get motivated is to begin with simple exercise and train in short time. In this series, we're gonna train 5 to 8 minutes every day for 7 days. After 7 days, your body will get used to with active mode, and that is a jump start for your fitness journey. So if you are ready for this 7-day challenge, let's get started.
Baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens with loving every time I could call you mine. I don't know why I'm being the one feeling stupid. I'm feeling stupid now. I'm gonna shut my mouth when you say what's on your mind. I can see the pain in your eyes. First I'm left, then I'm right. Don't know how to keep my calm. Baby, don't you tell your lies.
Lately I've been feeling like I don't recognize myself.
You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister.